Hello, hello. Welcome, everyone. Hi, Scott. Congrats on being first. You now stand at the top of chat until the end of stream. Congrats on that. Hope you're doing well. Today we'll be working on the Beat Saber overlay I've been working on a few past streams. I'm getting close to finishing it, so I want to make some progress on it. This is the overlay I'm working on. I worked a little bit on it off stream to align this box. I had like a close button and making so that clicking randomly doesn't close it back. Because I had the issue where double clicking or clicking too fast on like things like toggling would close the window. But none of this is hooked up. None of this is doing anything yet. So that's the next step to actually make it work. So yeah, let's work on it. This Thursday. Let's make some progress. Alright, music should be good. Not too loud, I hope. Alright. So what were we doing? So last I added all the design tokens so that changing some parameters will toggle the actual thing. So now all we need to do is update those values when the toggles are used. So I think one thing I don't even know if it works. One thing I want to try is when I toggle this, I want to update the website up here and add the parameters and have it read from up here and affect the thing. So let's start by just reading from the parameters at the top. So I think, how did I do this? Info box, scroll up, score, menu, settings, okay, colors here, yeah. So it should be here. Let me turn, double click. Here, token. So let's see. Let's try with the left one. So let's call it right. Get R token. And let's see if that works. So here what I want to do is open up the console so I can read what's happening. Ignore the red here, it's normal. I don't have Beat Saber running, so it's complaining a little bit. But let's add if right token is not null, then do this. And then let's add it up here. So R equal. Oh, what? What if I put R? What happens? Oops, didn't want to save. Put R and then go. R parameter. It exists. Okay. So if it's not null, you can say that it exists. Exists. Yeah, so R exists, and if I remove this, R doesn't exist. Okay, so I can use this. So if R exists, we want to change these value. Cons is right, set is right, use state is false by default, but if it exists, replace this thing set is right. True. Well, I guess set is right too, whether this exists. Let's test this. Uh-oh. Too many renders. I see. I see. Because this is rerun every render, so this is not good. We don't want to run it all the time. So maybe just on the first render, or on each render, would it cycle through too many times? So right now it's on each render. So now, if I added R, it goes on the other side. Okay, so that works. And if I remove the R, it's on this side. Okay, so at least we know this works. Now I want to try having the settings thing change the value up here. React update. Pop history push. Path name. Okay. So I'm guessing this is what I need. Let's give it a try. Let's add a function for it. On right toggle. Where is it? Left align toggle. Default checked. Off. Checked. On change. On change. Then I can pull this. And checked. It's a boolean. I wonder if it goes both ways. Let's test. Is right. Set is right. Use state. False by default. Can I use this? Maybe comment this out. Then on right toggle, I can do set is right to the reverse of what it was. And I guess print out. See if that worked. Right toggle is right. Now it's false, now it's true. Oh. Let me refresh just to be sure. Now it's false, now it's true. So it's not correct. I wonder. Checked is supposed to be equal to this thing. Why is it inverted? Now it's false, but it's true. Confusion. What's happening here? Check. Yeah, it is true. So maybe this is only one way. It doesn't go both ways. Or maybe this is rewriting it the second time. True, true, true. It's always true. Okay. Check. Default check. Default. Area spell check. Toggle. Right toggle. Let's dig into it. Okay, so it has a checked icon. That's not what I care about. It's a HTML input. I don't know what's happening in here. I don't care enough to look more into it. So this something is not here. Set this right. This right. I just want to check the second time outside. Yeah. So it's a race condition. So by the time we call this, and then this happens before it's set up. Let new value equal to flip is right, and then we set the value of is right, the new value in here, and this should be correct. True, false. Then we can do something with this. We had the thing here. Prop history push path name. So I can add. Let's see. Actually, React date either URL here. Path name search. Okay, so I think what I need is like a refresh kind of thing that grabs all of the values. So let's create a refresh function that will do the update thing. Or actually, I can do something better. I can do a use effect. Hi Yuki, good morning. How are you doing? Hope you're doing good. Straight. Hi Crosser. Hello, hello. How you doing? Let's see you peeking. Thank you for feeding DBQD the slime. Hey Cookie. Doing good. Just getting some time before you start your day. Nice. Hope you have a good day. Going up. What I've been up to. I am currently working on my Beat Saber overlay. I'm making an overlay. You can see in this corner for Beat Saber. It's similar to some existing ones. It's based on the old one that I made a few years ago. I'm updating it and keeping it simple. I think that's the key here because there are few of them out there that are pretty good, but they have too much information. And I just want to show like things like the name of the song I'm playing, the artist, the mapper, and the code for it. I don't want to show it score, accuracy, all that stuff. So I'm making a simple one. I'm so hardworking. Thank you? Question mark, maybe? I like these things. You like simple too? Nice. That's good. Because a lot of the other ones, they're pretty good. They just have too much. Like for example, a very popular one right now is the Aldra Zoxy one. This one. It's pretty nice. But it shows a lot of information. Like ranking, the country, how much PP you have, and then when it goes into a song, it shows like the accuracy, the difficulty, all that stuff. I don't really need. I just want a simple version, so I'm making this one with a different style for like the progress also. Because you know, I'm not really good at Beat Saber. I don't want to show my score and show how bad I am. I just want to show what song I'm playing. That's my goal. So, that's why I'm making this version. Simpler version. Smart. Strings. Let's start with an empty string. And then add this over. It's fine, we can watch you get better that way. I mean, that's true, but I'm just there to have fun in Beat Saber, usually jam to good songs. You know, not there too much for the score. And I see you're feeding a lot of cookies to DBQ to this line. GC, hello, language of the gods. What do you mean, language of the gods? Oh, you mean programming? Just some programming, it's not God language or anything. Okay, so let's see, how do I do this? Oh, that's too many quotes. Okay. Then, if it's right, then add an R. Otherwise, nothing. Let's try this. Uh-oh. Error. Error. New value is not defined. Here. This is not defined. That's okay. Fixed. Something else is broken. Props. This. History push. Can I just do history push directly? History. History. Okay. I'll have to look into that. Got DV? No. Hello, nice to see you. Nice to see you too, GC. Hope you're doing well. Method of hash history. For examples. I want to see examples. History. Is this something I have to install? Notation. Installation. I guess I do have to install it. Create browser history. Script. Ah, is there another way to do it? Replace. Everyone is using history, but I don't want to use the React router. Use history. React router. Query module. History. What does this code do? I'm coding. Oh, now it's broken. Let me. What was a shortcut to comment? That's not a shortcut to comment. Control slash. I'm doing an overlay for Beat Saber, so it shows what song is currently playing when I'm playing Beat Saber eventually. It would show what song is playing, what is the artist, what is the mapper, and what is the VRStar code. Also shows like the progress, like how far in the song you are. That's the goal. I want to make it customizable, like you can align stuff, but it's not working yet, so I'm trying to figure that out. That's cool. Thank you. I will be releasing this publicly for free after, so other people can use it too. It's not just for me, but it starts with me. Okay, so let's see. I guess we can try the history module. I didn't want to add something, but I guess I'd have to. Right, copy. Oops, I did not mean to open this. History. Okay, how much change did I do? Info box. Ooh, that's a lot of changes. Okay. Let me add everything in here. Oh, I guess it's not everything. Tokenized settings. Create a checkpoint, create a commit before I do something big and possibly break everything. Alright, so let's add history. That did not work. Oh, there's a dollar sign. Whoops. Right. Install thingy. Now it's installed. Now that means I should be able to add this. So, uncommon. And then how do I use? Use create browser history. Let's go back. Navigation. History. Push. This is the one I want to use. History. From history. Can I just use it? That doesn't sound right. History push. Navigation guide. Maybe it's fine. No, it doesn't know what history is. So let's import history. History from history. Did that work? Import as history and from history. Maybe import history. Imported history. What's in there anyway? Alright, time to go dig into the modules. History. What did I install? History. Index. Action. Warning. Read me. No. Documentation change. How do I use this? I want to use this example. What are the examples? Reference. Hash history. Okay, so it's a hash history. Create browser history. That is. Oh, I see. I see. This is what I need. Okay. Go back here. Replace this line. and then copy this line down here. I guess I can call it, make it a constant, and then this should work. Yes, it works. Nice. Alright, added an R, but not the way I wanted to, so I need to add a question mark. Let's refresh. Oh, let's remove this. R. Remove the R. R. Remove the R. You can see very small up here. I can add and remove the R, which is good. So that works. But that doesn't trigger this thing to read the R. I wonder why. So push doesn't do it. Let's see, create action, forward, text, go, listen, push a new entry, push to home, go back is -1. A lot of these I don't know how it works, so I'm just learning as I go. I'm not really a web dev. So, right. I'm able to add the R, but this is not moving to the side. So need on URL change React with history. Tracking URL change. So maybe something in here had a listen. So maybe I need to use that. Listen. Location change. Let listen. Okay. We can try that. So that case, I need to move the history up and put it in the props. So props.history, and then move this out and move this out. Then add it here and add it here and add it into the settings. Story for the history. Save. Okay, so now this one should work still. But in here, I need something to react to it. So I need to do a unlisten thing. Action, location. Okay, I can do this. Quarter. Right token, set right token. Here, let's do it auto null. Copy this here. Okay, so now when there's something changes, it should try to look for it. Oh, something broke. Assignment to constant variable. This should be a let. Refresh. Boop. Nope, it's not doing it. So this is changing it, but this is not being called. Let me add a console log here. Location changed. And I'm guessing it's not. Oh, it's actually called. Okay. So this happens. Then query. I guess the correct token is not updated correctly. Reset. Okay, I know. I know how to do this. I can just set this in here. Don't need this to live outside. Okay. Aha! Yes! It works! I can change this to the link up here also updates correctly. Can toggle the thing. Hail, thank you for the lyric, appreciate it. Okay, so now we got this out working. Don't need this use state anymore. Don't need this anymore. And save. Let's see. Location. Pop history. I wonder if I can just grab the entire thing. History location, yeah. So if I go here in this text area, text, probably if I delete this line, complete it over here, and here I can just do history.location. Would that work? No. Let's see. Let's make it into another property that we're tracking. Whoa, that was quite the typo. Asian set Asian use state. Start with an empty string. And then here I can just plug in location. Now it's not playing anymore, but I need to update this. So let's see. Location. Actually, might move this up. I put it into props, so let's move it. Props, location, then here. Let's add that line here for this location. Set location to history.location. And we'll plug this into the settings. Location. Okay. So does that work? No. How do I write text into this box? Is a question, I guess. Hello. That did not work. So that's not the way to do it. Now I know. It's text area. It's not the way you use it. Content. Text. Text area. Oh, time to Google how to use text area. Form. Label. Text area. Oh, that's the way you do it. Oh. Hello. Let's try again. Let's take a look. Is it like white text? No, there's nothing in here. How odd. How very odd. Read only. about this? Oh, no, it's so empty. User value. Label. Value attribute. Singular input. Oh, this is HTML. In React, it's different. Oh, it's using the value. Okay, I see. Derp. Derp, derp, derp. Okay, now I know how to fix it. And it will be pretty easy. Value equal to props.location. Object. That's not quite what I'm looking for. Okay, so location should be a string. Why is it saying object? Object is not correct. Okay, let me put this all over tag. Yeah, that one works. So prop location, the string, object. So interesting. I want to see what's in here. Console log location, prop location. Tell me what's in here. Location is object. Okay. Did I misspell this? What happened? What is happening here? Location, set location, Mr. Location. Okay, so what's in here? Set location to exploding. Mr. Location. This object. Undefined toString. So toString here is breaking everything. Let's clear this. So location is object. Why location? I guess I could check listen. What's in the listen? Come on, loading. That's quite a slow loading. What is happening? Okay. Location. Oh, I guess I could grab that. Okay. In that case, I can just use this. Oh, so object. What is the type of location? Type declaration. Location is a location type. Okay, and the location type has a path. Okay, so what I am looking for is a path name. Location dot path name. Dot path name. Slash. So path and then search. State. So path name plus location dot search. Is this what I need? Let's refresh. Yeah. Almost. It's missing a big part of it. But it is accurate that it only has a slash. Okay. State key. Follow up to question mark. and then followed by the question mark. Okay, okay. React just get full. Okay, maybe this is simpler. Can I just use this window location name? Oh yeah, this is so much simpler. Okay, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Now people can copy this. Okay. So, got this here working. And then, now let's add another one for the bottom. So, for bottom here, we want to do, let's push the new value. So counts is bottom, set is bottom, we state that is false by default, and then add toggle on bottom toggle. I guess I don't. What is new value? Oh, here. So just toggle this. I don't actually need the middle thing, so I can do set is bottom to reverse of is bottom. The arrow is broken here. Let's go. Now this one I can set it to this toggle. Check is linked to on bottom toggle, and on change you want to call with on bottom toggle. This is bottom. Okay, so this should change this value, and then we can add a dependency to it, to the dependency array. That bottom equal to is bottom question mark. If yes, add a b, otherwise add nothing. And then let's see. I might do this a different way, because right now I'm just pushing a bunch of string to it. Push path name. Because right is one thing, but if I want to add another one, okay, so what I want to do is keep track. Let all params for it starts empty, right? And then you can add something to it, but if all params is not empty, I can do dot length. If it's not empty, then add an n ampersand. Otherwise, add nothing, and then keep going. This is a good way of doing it. I think it is. And same thing here for the bottom. You can just keep adding stuff to it. So add the bottom part. And if it's empty, if all param is empty, then add. Wait, no. If it's empty, don't add %. Otherwise, add an %. And then add the parameter. And then here is just all the parameters. Okay, so let's test. Right. That did not work. Oh, why not? Let's refresh. It's not adding. I did something wrong. What did I break? I guess let's check out what all param has. All params. All params. So it's just empty. It starts empty, and then if then it adds this thing. I guess I could do this. Make it a string. Maybe this is what it needs. Who knows? Yeah, now it works. The right one and then bottom. Oh, the % is being added. Okay, I see. So this part, this ampersand thing, should only exist if right is true. So let's add this with an R at the end. Then I can remove this. So when right is on, then check if it's empty. If it's not empty, add ampersand before adding R. Otherwise, just add the R. Yes. Okay, so I just need bottom. I'll just copy all this over. Then change this to B. And then is bottom. And refresh. So R, R and B, or just B, or just R. Alright, perfect. Now let's hook up the bottom part. Const bottom token query dot get B, and then set is bottom tokens not local. And then I need to duplicate this for this bottom and set this bottom and then this bottom align. Bottom. Now we got the toggles that works for all the corners. Hey. I can change it from corner to corner or top to bottom. So I can get all the corners. Okay, nice. What else? Next, The round corners is up next. Just repeat the same thing. Is square. Set is square. Set is square. Is I need a new token. Square token. For yeah. For square, I guess I can use S. Square token. And check if this is null. Then plug is square in here. Save. And then over here, duplicate this. Duplicate this. Is square. Set is square. Duplicate this. It's auto duplication. Square toggle. Set is square. Invert square value. And then here, swap this. I can remove this slot now. Same for this one. And then plug this into the square. Here. On change. And checked. Is square. Okay. Now the square should work. It doesn't. What am I missing? These still work. So on square, change. Set is square. Is square. Adds an S to all parameters. And then is square. If it finds an S, it will set it to true. Maybe I just need to refresh. Oh, no effect. Oh, I see the S toggling. Maybe? No. Oh. Wait, why is it S? Oh, I know. I'm missing the dependency here. Is square. There we go. Now, it's really hard to see. Maybe if I zoom in. Big zoom. This corner will toggle between round corner and square corner. That's all this one does. Not a big one, but it's there. And okay, so we got all of these working. Is it still starting? No, it's not starting anymore. So that's good. Let's save what we have. And let's test if we can do a manual build. So let me run the build. I guess if it doesn't work without the server running, the node server, it's kind of useless. And I just hope that the history package doesn't break anything. Okay, so deployment has been done. Let me grab the project. Build. And then open. Does it still work? Left, bottom, square. Yes, it all works. And the link here is updated correctly. Yes, nice. Very nice. One thing I want to do is, if I change it, reopening it, I don't want to reset. So let's do that. Let's keep its state so it doesn't reset. These are all default values. So it would be, I think settings is what resetting it, right? It's probably setting this as soon as we join. How do I do this then? Because if it resets, if you just want to change something after testing, you have to redo everything, which is a pain. So maybe what I'll do, because I do have all the tokens, I can maybe pass them to the settings. Could I do that? Let's make this a little bit nicer to look at. Settings, certification on close. There we go. It looks a little bit nicer. So when we go in, this use effect is being used. So maybe I can have like a default location. Location. Tref. Maybe what I want to do instead is pass in all these values and use them as a default state. I guess I can use that. Just pass in everything. This square is right is bottom, and in here I can do props is right, props is bottom, and props is square. So it has different defaults. So if I change this, close, and reopen it, it keeps it. Yeah, that works. Close, then reopen, and I can refresh, keeping the values. Oh, and refresh, that doesn't work though. Huh. On refresh, that doesn't work. Why? So that if I close this, go to that location, and reopen. Okay, on double click, something breaks. App. And double click, toggle menu, set menu. Wait, when I do this, this works. It's just on refresh. So that means that the app, these values are not done. This is not done at least once. Okay, so on listen, set these values. Okay, how about I do we use not use thing, use effect. But just once. So the use effect will trigger once on the first time, and I can do this. just to set all the values. Yeah, I guess I probably should turn this into a function. That's it. Function. Actually, I don't need to make it an external function. Cons extract params. And the extract params is all of this. So I can just I set all of those values. So can I just do extract params whenever it happens? Just to update. So this still works. Closing, reopening, still works. Now if I copy this and navigate to the page or reopen, that still works. Alright, we got this. Now if I change it, close, and then reopen, it stays there. And if I navigate to that page, it stays there until I remove it. Huh. Why is it just flashing in? That's kind of weird. Animation at the bottom is a little bit broken, I think. Yeah, it just appears, but when it's at the top, it slides in. So something is broken with the animation at the bottom. But before we move on, let's see what we have. So this is good, this is good. Adding history. Adding working settings. Add everything. Save. Now let's try to fix the animation. Let's see. Toggle CSS. Is this the one? No. Main box animation. So what if I remove this? I wonder if it's a scaling that breaks everything, or just the translate. So let's test. Just saving this. So close, open, and at the bottom, close, open. Yeah. This is broken. I wonder why. Translate. CSS transform translate. Let me look that up. CSS transform translate. What are the values? Syntax. Single value. This value is presenting the abscissa. What is that? Abscissa. Oh, the abscess. Okay. I didn't know that's how you call it. Abscissa? Abscissae? Horizontal X coordinate. Both X and Y. Okay, so I guess maybe I just need the second value, and that's breaking it. Let's try. Refresh. No. Still doesn't work. So it's not the scale. We can keep the scale. Then. Transform. I wonder why. Oh, translate X maybe. Enter active. Exit active. Maybe. So it just appears. Translate. Minus 100% or 0. Minus 100%. Over a second. So it goes from here to here, is what I'm getting. Enter to interactive. So it started at 0 and then reaches 1 after 1 second. Goes from negative 100 to 1. Oh, to 0 is where it is. And then for the exit, it goes opacity. Maybe this. I wonder if I need this. Translate 0. So top animation is so good. Bottom animation is broken. Just appears. Let's search it up. CSS animation not working. Translate. Reverse stroke. Transition not working in reverse direction. Blah 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 blah. Transform, translate, hover instead of adding animation. Keyframe animation, can do rotate, code link. That's not super helpful. Let's remove the reverse thing. Transform translate not working. Transform animation overriding transform, command wrapping spinner. If you do single parent, use 2 animation. That's not super helpful. I guess something is conflicting. Right? That's what's happening. So if I select this box, it has a bunch of stuff. Enter, done. Oh, I don't really get it. Main class, enter, flex direction. Why would it not work? Info box, CSS animation, playing, timeout. On mount exit. It shouldn't matter in which direction it is, does it? Okay, how about I try without the translate, but just the opacity. So remove the translate, remove the transform, remove the translate. I still need the. Oh, okay. Transform. So just opacity. Yeah, that one works. Smooth appearing. I mean, that could be good enough, I guess. But the sliding in from the side was kind of nice. Z to add the back. Okay. So transform. So let's forget the scale. Let's just do translate. Minus 100. Translate. Value, single percentage, single axis. So minus 100% should work, but if I put it minus 50% just for testing, it should only go halfway, which is maybe fine. The bottom is just disappears. So the translate just doesn't work when it's at the bottom for some reason. What about the scale? Does scaling work? Scale of 1. Is a scale of 1. So if I'm only scaling, what happens? It also just appears. But up here it works. But down the bottom it doesn't work. So something is wrong with just a transform. Let's take a look. CSS transition. I guess I can try to look this up again. CSS transition. Exit enter entry. Not working. So whatever thing I have here is, let's see, up. Where is it contained? Info box. Font, color. Okay, so everything is in here. Info box, the main box. Main box, reverse, row reverse, row reverse. Okay, let's see. Why not working on reverse and gradient? Hover. Okay, I think I cannot figure it out. So I would just remove the transform for now and just have it fade in and out. It's good enough for now, I think. Yeah, the fade is good enough. Let's just keep the fade for now. And we can look back into it. It's just a nice to have. Next important thing is the font, changing the font. So font. First value is Teco. Let's call it for the value also. Then value, let's save it. Here, cons, font, set font, use state, by default will be Teco. Copy this over. So this should update the value of font, or at least attempt to reflect it. And then on change, on font page, let's create that one. On font change, set font to. Okay, so let's see. I want to see what the select does. HTML select props. Value React JS, not JS. React select form. Select. The select tag, selected value, Oh, I can do this. I like this. Okay. I actually like this a lot. So value. So it should be an array. Echo. So if I do this, oops, not good. Just the last line. This should have nothing. I'll change. Multiple option. Oh, okay, this is multiple option. Never mind. I misunderstood that part. Okay. So font echo, and then on font change, I want to set it to the value. So how do I get it? On change, handle change, event target value. So we got an event, and we got event target value. So that should update it correctly. And then peeks from the bed. Is Wolfie being comfy? How are you doing? So the font. I just need to figure out what font works. Okay. Deco. Right now, for now, I just remove these, and then use the deco. I guess the proper thing to do is setting here, but all good. How's BS going? It's going well. As you can see here, now the toggles work. You can toggle the four corners and the rounded corners. Now I'm doing the font. It's progressing quite well. And it's also updating the link to copy at the bottom. That you cannot modify, you can just copy. So it's going pretty well, I think. For the font, ooh, maybe I don't want to put the entire string, but just a number. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Just a number. Value 0. Add it in here. Prop font. Hi, Kate. Thank you for feeding DB the cutie the slime. Hey, Cookie. The booty overlay when? I mean, this is almost kind of it, right? Let me zoom in. Let's switch them. Then you can toggle this thing. How are you doing, Cake? I don't know if I'll be adding booties to this. Hey, cutie, indeed. Font, set font, use state by default will be 0. Sound happy? Scope variable font. Where is it declared? Oh, here. Oh yeah, this is the one I need to replace. Okay. And font goes in here. And then in the info box, the font is No? Struggling? Oh no. Are you struggling with your motto? QD overlay? Yes. You see this Beat Saber overlay here? I'm building with some settings. So you can change which corner, rounded corner. You cannot really see it. Maybe if I zoom in, you can see like this is a square corner, and you can change it to rounded corner. I'm making a very simple one. It just displays the name of the song, the name of the mapper, and the artist, and the PRStar code, and also the progress. But nothing else. No score, no difficulty, no accuracy, no how many notes I missed, because I'm not that good at Beat Saber, so I don't care about showing all of those. I just want a very simple one. Shows what song I'm playing. That's all I want. Now I'm adding a font setting, so you can change the font of it. This is the default font. This is what Beat Saber uses. This is the Beat Saber font. But I'm going to add more in case people like different fonts. And then eventually add a color selector for the text, and probably another one for the outline. But those are not yet functioning yet. For now, I'm just doing the font. So a lot of coding, a lot of learning, because I'm not a web dev. Add Animal Crossing font. What is the name of that Animal Crossing font? And it also needs to be a web font, like something that's easy to get. It will be funny. I don't know if anyone will use it, but it will be funny. Alright, let's see. It's on your iPad. You have the Animal Crossing font on your iPad. Nice. That is very nice. Font. Font family. So this is where it's used. So the font is used here directly, which is not ideal. It's called Think Heavy. Let me take a look. Think Heavy Font Geeks. Oh, I see it. Okay. What's the licensing on it? Can I redistribute it? Scalable, type, regular, family, term and condition. We belong to designer, no copyright notice, assume copyrighted. It's on another website. That font. Guess I could grab the CSS for it. Huh. Interesting. Think Heavy. Thank you for sharing. I don't know what is like the licensing of it, so I'll have to look into it. But I will add that here. Just a note to myself on Animal Crossing, so I don't forget it. I don't want to put something that I cannot use and redistribute it to other people and then get in trouble because of it. But I'll look into it. Thank you for sharing. Okay, so font here. It's for cake. Forget the font later. Let's see. Props font. Okay, so here I want to have like a font array. Font array. And then for the front property, I'll just call font array and pass in font. index. Okay. That way I can pass in 0 and it will be techo. And then I can easily add a second one. Let's try that. And then here, let's add a second font. Value 1, Arial. Okay, so set font. Where is it? So the settings on font change, set the font to the value, and then when the font is set here on the font change, we want to add this. If the font exists, add the value of the font itself. Okay, so now the font is added to this. Oh, I guess it's more like F equal font. And then in the app we can get font token query get F, and then set font with the font token. I made a typo. So now the font is set, and we get the font value here that is passed on. Okay, everything is hooked up. Arial, techo. Arial, techo. Arial, techo. It works. This one is ugly, but it works. I don't know why anyone would use this, but it works. Okay. Oh, and if there's nothing, it doesn't use techo. Interesting. If it doesn't have anything, I should default to techo. Set font. If it's not null, then use font token. Otherwise, use 0. So it's techo by default. Otherwise, you can change it. Then you can refresh and it will. Oh. It's not saved. Why is that not saved? It works as the main thing? True. I'll probably use put the better section. Like, I don't think anyone would use this. Right? Who would use Arial font for this? It's just for testing. Could put wingding, the wingding font in it. Unreadable, but you know, it's funny. Oh, I wonder if emoticon one works. Or emote one? I forgot the name of it. The one where it's just a bunch of emotes. Browser fading, DBQD. The slime, a cookie! Oh, feeding 2 cookies and giving pets. Hey, Browser, you're now MVP. Congrats. So if it's not null, use font token. Otherwise use 0. Does that work? Extract param. Why is it resetting? Huh. Settings. Font. I guess font is not null. Feeding my cookies to the slime. Thank you, everyone. I want to see why this doesn't work. Oh. So I guess the uploading does not find a font. F font token. Let me see. Font token is token. That way we can see what's happening. So let's pick Arial. Font token is 1. Now let's navigate. Font token is still 1. And we're opening it. Font token is null. Okay, so something is nulling the value. In the settings. Use effect. Change. Prop font is null. That's why. Oh, there we go. That's the missing part. Now refresh. It works. Fix it. Refresh. There we go. Okay, now it keeps the font between refreshes. Remove this. And I can move. Where is it? Where's the console log? Oh, here. Okay. Now that we have the font working, now it's just a question of adding more fonts. That looks good. What is this? The title. What is this? Deco. Oh. Interesting. Is this outside? Yeah, it's outside. Style. Let's modify this. Maybe this is why it was looking weird. Style.font. I think it's lining up a little bit better, but still not great. Okay, same thing here. This, but with 24. Is there another one? No. Okay. Now let's just test more fonts, I guess. So I set up area. Okay, so let's change this to other. I don't know what other is yet, but we can test. I think Monster Cat is a good one. I guess not. Google. Wait, how did I add fonts? Index CSS. No, this is not where I added. Although here it does have a bunch of fonts. Global. App CSS. No, nothing here. Okay, maybe I didn't add anything. Let's look up for more fonts. More generic fonts that it is everywhere. Fonts. So Roboto. Roboto is a good one. I think. Roboto, I think it's the Android one? Android default one? Roboto. Huh? Huh? Can I add both to it? No, that just breaks it. Okay, Roboto could work. It's a bit thin. 12 style. Regular. Can I like put a number? Regular. 400. No. Huh. Because it's using like the thin 100, which is way too thin. Let me take a look. Font. Where is it? Font family, Roboto. Let's see. CSS, use font, family, regular, thin. Font weight. What about font family? How much can I change in font family? Almost nothing. Okay. Just a name. Font. Web font. Specify font and weight. Font weight. Font weight. So there's no way to just directly change the font. Just a name. Font example. Yeah, so we can only specify font family. And then weight would be separate, which I really don't like. That means I need to make this more complex. We would need to have objects of more than just that. So it will be not just a name, but it's a family. Let's see. Family. Echo. And wait. Like whatever is the default. I don't know. Let's put 400 for now. And then we got Roboto, which will also have its own object. Actually, just copy this and rename it Roboto and with 100. Let's make it cleaner. Like this, so it's easy to read. Okay, so we got Teco, Roboto, and then because now the font array is not just a name, I have to change how it's plugged in, which would be style.font family. Same here, font family, dot here, font family, and then font weight will be font dot weight. Right. Does it work? No. Cannot read define of family. Is this not the way I do it? Supposed to do it? Can I just do this then? Oh, I can. Okay. Let's refresh. Font. Cannot read family. Font array. And use style. Font. Oh. And style. Let's see. Now it should be good. Where is it? Line 119. 119. 119. Font family. Oh, I wonder. Why not? The font array has two objects. The first object has a family property and a weight property. But it's not finding the family property. For some reason. Style.font.family. I wonder why. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, so it does see it. There's a family object and a weight object. So this part is fine. So if I do this and then I do console log style.font. Is there anything in here? Undefined. Oh, so it doesn't know this is called font. Because these are values, so you could pull them directly. So if I do this, no. Font array. Use style font name. No, it is a font. The fourth element is a font. So what is in style? It's all of these. Oh, I see where I'm going wrong. Okay. I need to re-expose the font from here. So we have the font, but it's not exposing the font again. So what we can do is just re-expose the font as the font itself. There we go. So we got Teco and got other. Okay, that works. Now it's not the right value, I think, because Roboto 400 is a lot thicker, right? Yeah, it should be thicker. Oh, am I not using the weight yet? Font weight. Let's see. Let's try 400. Is that not the way we do it? Let's test here. Font weight 800, 400. Oh, 400 is just too small. 600, 500, 400. Or 50. There's no in between. 500. Because like more than 400 it's like pudding. It's so fat. Why is it so fat? Bold. Regular. Normal. 100. Yeah. I guess I could use this. 500 is fine, I guess. So font dot weight was working. It's just that 400 was not a nice number. So 500. So let's refresh. Okay. This one is okay. So Roboto works. We can keep that one. So let's add it to here. Roboto. Let's add another one. For option 2. What other font can we put? Category. Monsterrat was the one I was trying to get. Okay, Monsterrat 400. 500. 600. Oh, 400. 200 is nice. I like 200. Okay, let's do 200. Montserrat. Let's add another one. Ubuntu. Nunito. Rubik. Okay, I want to try. How about we try adding the Animal Crossing font? Think heavy. Let's see. I don't want to download something, so maybe. Look at the README. So think heavy medium. If I add this, how do I add this though? Play graph. Maybe an app. Let's see. Or maybe an index. No. Segway, Oxygen, React, JS, add link, href. Add embed href. menu, and header. Oh. It's not finding it. Let's see. Add CSS link. Import CSS from external source. Okay. Head of HTML or import. Okay, I can do import URL and add this thing. Let's try it. Import add. Wait, no, it's add import. Add import URL. This thing. Doesn't seem too happy about it. Script. Or React. Yes. Load. Import. That's not super helpful. How to load content. Okay, I think I'll just do the other solution I saw. This one. Adding to the HTML. Wait, there's no HTML. Is there? No. App. Install. Readme. Import CSS. Import. Linking to CSS. Path your CSS. In React.js. Add that part. That doesn't seem to work. Part external JS. I don't want notification. Oh, this page is empty. I got scammed. Not helpful. I guess I could also download the font. Game. Okay, I'll look more into it for later. I'll just keep looking for normal fonts for now. I'll look into that later. So got Monsterrat. I had a bunch of lists over there. Index here. Roboto, Segway UI. Okay, we can do Segway UI. Option 3. I'll name it after. SQL UI. Let's take a look. Oh, it broke. Cannot read undefined. Does it not like this space? Uh-oh. Undefined, what line? 217. 217 font family. It's not able to read this one for some reason. Okay, so if I just duplicate this, it should be. Oh, it's not fine. What did I do? Oh, 4 instead of 3. Whoops. Is this better now? Refresh. 218. 218. Yeah, same thing. What broke? Why is it broken? I wonder. Value 3. Let me remove that. Oh, because it's 3 here. It was broken because it saved the last thing. Sig where you are. Sig where you are works. It's not great, but it works. It works well enough, actually. Let's try different values of weight. I like this better. 400. Okay. And then what else? The Dex Ubuntu Helvetica. Helvetica? Is that a good one? It sounds fancy. Oh, Helvetica. It's not here. Helvetica Nue. New? Helvetica New? Nue? How do you read that? How do you pronounce that? What's up a little bit of those? For feeding slimes on my cookies. Thank you. And this one is 4. Ew, I don't like it. Okay, let's not do Helvetica thingy. Druid Sand. Looks like an Android thing. It's not here. Whoa! Fire Essence. Fire Essence. Oh, Fire Essence not bad. Is it able to do? No. Fire Sense doesn't work. Fire Sense doesn't work. Okay. Too bad. Let's see. Web save. Okay, so these are the basic ones. So Arial, Verdana, Tahoma, Trebuchet, MS, Time News. I don't like it, but I'm guessing someone will want it. Yeah, I'll just have it there, I guess. And then fifth option. Oh, sixth option actually. Georgia, Garamond, Korean New. Let's do Korean New. Oh, and brush script. Let's add brush script too. It looks like Comic Sans. Korean New. Alright, that works. I wonder if it's better with smaller values or bigger values. 600? 500? 600 is good, I think. Okay. Then let's add another one called brush script MT. I think. Let's see. Brush script MT, yeah. Korean EU. And then I'll have to reorganize this so it's in order or something. 6. That did not work. I thought it was safe. Maybe I need to add cursive. Because if I remove this, yeah, it doesn't show it. So that's a long name. That's kinda yikes. How will I do this? So backslash this thing. Oh, that did not work. What does it look like? It's also too big. Where's the font? It's defaulting to some font because it's not able to use it. Yeah, it's defaulting to something else. Let's take a look. Number 6. Comic for now. And then this doesn't work. I wonder why. So it adds a dash. Not a dash. Let's see. How does it plug into? Font family. Yeah, I see why it would break. Because it needs to be a separate thing. Add cursive. Necessary Comic Sans font CSS. Comic Sans cursive. Quote marks. So let's try it here with this value. It's missing a thing. Oops. Okay, so this works. That means I need to somehow write this down. Cursor. Okay, I see. I see. Korean name. Interesting. I don't know if I can actually do that. Like this. Oh, that worked. We got the Comic Sans version in here. It's a bit fat. Let's make it smaller. Hey, perfection! Isn't it? Isn't it perfect? Some nice Comic Sans. Oh no, this is too big now. I need to do something about that. Uh, I remember doing something for it. Scroll down. Where is it? Marquee text. Label, title, label. Stop here. Marquee label. I did something to hide the scroll bar at some point. I don't remember what I did. But I know I did something. Let's see. Canva, measure, text with marquee, style marquee. I think it's style marquee. It's the viral flow header. Maybe? Render title. Style marquee. This is missing from here. Speed gradient. There we go. Comic. I'll just call it Comic Sans. It's not quite Comic Sans, but it's close. Okay, so we got Teco, the default one, then Roboto, Montserrat, Segue, Times, Courier, and Comic Sans. It works. Okay, font is ready. Let's. I should add something next to it that says font. Column span 2, and then add one here. Label left. Font. That works. Okay, let's save everything. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Okay. Add everything. Add fonts. Okay. Let's see how far am I on the stream? 2 hours or something? What do I want to do next? I want to keep going. Maybe it's good to stop. I made some good progress. I made a lot of these functionality works. Missing color. No, let's do color. And then that way I'll be done with all of these options. So color, how that one works. Color, set color. Okay, so the color is already saved here. color by default should be full white. Let's do just the text color for now. And then this text color, that will be a T. Yes. Yeah, that will be a T. And then I'll just remove the oh, I guess I can keep that actually. T, and then call this color. And add what color. Now the color is added to the link at the top. And then the app, let's add color, cons color, set color, use state. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, cons color token, query, quirky, get T, and then duplicate this, set color. If color token is out null, use that. Otherwise, use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just white by default. And then pass in the color into settings, color. Oops. And pass in here text color. And then here we can call this, whoops, props.color. Is it complaining? Nope, no complaints. Good. So the color is updated up here. So we have the color. Next is applying that color. So color goes in here, info box. Info box, props, text color to the style. And in the style, we got text color, goes into color. So that should be there already. Let's take a look. So style, console, log, styles. So let's see. Color, text color. And then that color should be in the main box. So under main box, color is empty. Ooh, why is it empty? Color empty. So something is passing an empty value here. Text color, aha. Maybe this. So color, set color. If we find a token T. Okay, let's read the token. Color token. It's actually not doing it. Let's remove the log at the top here. Oh. So it's spamming something. Oh, it's spamming empty. Ooh, I think it's this. Yeah. Okay, so it doesn't like the pound or the hashtag symbol. That means we just have to remove it. Easy, easy peasy. So, up here, color broken. Oh, hashtag. Just to no hashtag. Outline's fine for now. Settings. Set color. This is setting color, use effect color, and then let's not use the string. Java script remove, or I guess substring. Substring start from position 2. Sub string starting from position 1. So that should remove the hashtag here. Is there start with? JavaScript start with. Yeah. Or replace, actually, it would be better. String replace. Yes. Prototype. P replace. Yeah, let's do that. Dot replace all the hashtag with nothing. That should fix, I think, this part. But when the app reads the value, set color, or okay, so we want to keep it in here, but when we're reading it, color token, if there is a value, from the token, add this in. Hi time. Hello. Just how to code. I don't think I can really teach web because I'm not good enough with it, but you can try to follow along, and I'm just explaining everything I'm thinking through. Like right now, I'm extracting the hashtag or the pound symbol from the URL for making this. Oh, it works. Look at that. Got a color picker that works. Whee! And you can do make transparent. Can we make transparent? I guess not. But yeah, I'm making a overlay for Beat Saber. Coloring. I guess I gotta be careful because it's pushing this value all the time. So instead of pushing it all the time, I should have it pick a color and then hit apply, maybe. I don't know. But one thing I do know is I want to remove the alpha. So here, color picker. Remove the alpha. The alpha. So there's no more alpha. Yeah. Hey, there we go. So if I pick a color like red and then refresh, it stays red. And you can change the font to like Techo, change the color again, like let's say light blue, make it left align, bottom left, well, bottom right align, and then refresh. And it still works. I'm pretty happy with the result right now. The progress is pretty decent. And then technically I can just copy that and it should bring us to the right thing. Yes. Aha! Hope you're doing well, time. Let me grab some water. Instead of the pick color, I think I'll change it to text color. Pick color. It's not the best. So text color. Then you can choose a different color. I should remove the console log. Where is that from here? Clear, refresh. And we got this box where you can change the value. I like white, but it's there so people can change if they decide to change. And then I'll have to add one for the outline also, but I think I made enough progress today. Oh, it's okay. I think I need to do something about the throttling notification, because moving the color is spamming it a little bit too much. Set color. Oops. So the set color, yeah, it's spamming this too much. So instead of set color, what I need to do is on close. Yeah, on close. Color select. On color selected. On color selected. And then here I would set the actual text color. Let's see, how would I do this? Call it text color. Set text color. Or we call this color picker. Set color. That way I'm tracking whenever the color picker, like the box, is opening or closing, and then updating only using that. So it's closed by default. But it doesn't actually matter, really. I'm just toggling the value. So every time the color picker closes or opens, this changes, and this value changes. That way, like sure, this doesn't actually change right away, the text, but after you close, it does. And I think this is good enough. Because otherwise it's spamming the number up here, which is not good. This is better. This is a lot better. Okay, this is good. I've done enough progress. I think 2 hours and a half. Good time. Good time to stop here. Well, yeah, I think I'll stop here. Thank you for hanging out and watching me work on this overlay. We're making a lot of good progress. I think it's almost ready. I'm going to need to add the outline color and add some more adjustments so it works for everyone. And I'll publish this probably pretty soon. So anyone lurking, make sure to join either my Discord or follow my Twitter so you get news about this. I'll post when this is ready to be when it's ready so you can use it for your own streams. So yeah, thank you everyone for stopping by. Congrats to Screticus for being first to the stream and to Krauser for being MVP, spending the most points on my channel today. Let's see who we can raid. Let's see who is live right now. Okay, I know who to raid. It's been a while since we raided this person. And let's return the favor. Pandora had raided us recently. So I want to return the favor. So this is the raid message. This is a raid from the QD squad. Make sure to copy that message as we go raid Pandora's Hut. Also a VTuber. He does a lot of games. Right now he's playing the game of life with some friends. So let's see how he's going. And yeah, I'll see you all next week. Yeah, next week. Tuesday, most likely. I don't know what I'll be doing yet, so join the Discord or follow Twitter to catch my next stream. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you everyone. Goodbye. Have a good one. Hey, Mosef. Thank you for stopping by.